Linking your bank to Model Folio 2026 is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your Model Folio account. Log into your Model Folio 2026 account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section in the dashboard. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or similar. Step 3. Enter your bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Model Folio to your bank account or using a third-party verification service. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once your bank account is verified, review all the information you provided. If everything is correct, confirm the linking process and save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank is now linked. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Model Folio 2026, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments.